ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad ke Sangma hakasantrik urampang araja abusau ulapin ku buram kinong ile kai sports blayo khur takma hak Meghalaya games araja abusau bat kumjuru ya kin ho ile kai football junga Jela Meghalaya ki blayo khur ya takma ksiar dangshan hak Khelo India Youth Games araja abusau dak ba Khusnam dak Pisa hak jingalang kablalong hauso tham auditorium Shillong la sakhilang do Menteri Katranat Sports and Youth Affairs uba Shakler Warjuri Kementeri Keterangan Health and Family Welfare ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo, ke Director Jungka Sports and Youth Affairs ke Kong Isa Wanda Lalu, Working President ke MSOA Bat John F. Karshiyeng Bat Kiwe.
After gymnastics, we move on to the winners of the basketball Meghalaya Games. Boys, ready for the invitation of sports Kiba. So I would like to thank all our guests and dignitaries. We will move on to athletics. The two winners of athletics, the girls playing nylon with hoist. With men, Sorkar Khelo, Martinez Ransu, Sorkar Khelo.
Uh, 900 athletes have won medals, so I would like to congratulate each and every one of you. I believe the 5th Meghalaya Games that was held in Tura was a huge success. But to make the 5th Meghalaya Games a huge success, it was a contribution of everyone, dedication, hard work and teamwork. And I believe without you, the athletes, adjusting to whatever the government had to prepare for you, I believe without the dedication and hard work of all the associations and district administration, the 5th Meghalaya Games edition would have never been a success. But nonetheless, it was a huge success, and I'm very, very happy that we announced on the 5th Meghalaya Games that we will be distributing cash awards to all the athletes who have won medals. And I just want to congratulate you, each and everyone. And I want to tell you one thing, especially all the athletes, that this is not the end. You have won medals, you have won, now you'll be receiving the cash awards. But then we should always have a mindset, set a goal to achieve more and more, to go to greater heights. And for that, to achieve all that, you have to work hard, you have to be dedicated. We, the government, are dedicated to work hand in hand with you to provide you the best of the best so that you may achieve great things in life.
So at the very outset, I would like to congratulate all the winners today and really wish you all the very best. You have made yourself, your family, and each and every one of us proud. So I think it would be appropriate that let's give each other, in fact all of you, a huge round of applause. Many, many congratulations for the great achievements that you have achieved. That we would like to make you as icons and as motivation for other youth to be able to look at you and say that, well, I would like to be like them. And I would like to also be one of those people who are able to achieve. And hence, I would like to tell the youth who are here today that you have a very important and responsible role to play. Today you might think that you just won a medal, but it's not about just the medal or the award that you will get. It is about the recognition that you're getting today in the state. It's about how your colleagues, your friends, other youth of the state today are looking up to you. Hence, I would request all of you that be that responsible person. Guide other youths. Tell them your story of how you have done and achieved what you have achieved. That you will face challenges in life, but it is how you face them and how you improve and how you overcome them. That is really what matters. And I'm happy to see that the MSOA, the sports department, and all the organizing committee members overcame many challenges, and we're making the games better and better every year. I really look forward to the games in Gente Hills in July, which will be in about a year's time, and I hope that all of you have started practicing for the event. We really hope that this year we had about 3,000 athletes. I'm hoping that we will be having many more in the next games, hopefully maybe 4,000 to even 5,000 athletes participating in the future games to come. You will see that it is not just our speeches or the kind of words that we give, but in action we have been able to invest in our youth. If you minus the infrastructures, which will be more than 700-800 crores today in different infrastructures for the sport within this last 5 years, in the different programs, as I said, for grassroots music program, Yes Meghalaya program, Prime Entrepreneurship program, Northeast Olympics, different Meghalaya games, different association games. The government of Meghalaya has spent more than 125 crores in different programs to organize and to mobilize the youth. And let me assure you that we will continue to do that, and we will be investing in the youth, because as mentioned by our Honorable Sports Minister, you are the future of our state, and we want to give the best opportunity to you to be able to shine in whatever area that you have passion in and that you want to move forward in.